welcome to Mickey Art. My name is Michelle Edhouse, and today I am just saying hi, I'm back. I have been away on an amazing trip up to the north of New Zealand, Whangarei, teaching a 4-day Access Consciousness Foundation class. Sorry, I was so not organized and didn't have videos for you while I was away, but I'm back now, and I'm gonna be having videos coming to you each day again, so apologies for being late, but let me show you a few bits and pieces that I've done in the last couple of live videos and just show you how they have come out. And then you guys get to see the end result of those pieces, because you guys took me through the process. You chose the colors, you chose what I was going to paint on and what style I was going to paint with, and so it's about time I showed you what I created and what we created together as a team. So thank you so much for being patient with me. As I say, I'm back now and moving forward, creating greater, and what else can we create together on this channel. So thanks again for waiting, and let me show you what we did in the latest one first, and then we'll go back to the one before that. So here you go. Alright, so here it is. So if you remember, this one was a suggestion by Chris, and we used the bottle pour, bottom pour, and it was a fun pour. I like this pour. It came out really cool. It's dried darker than it was, but look at the shimmer on that. That is just, because this is iridescent medium. We used iridescent medium, not white. So it kind of does this silvery color, but look at the colors in that. Oh, it depends on how much light you give it as to how bright it is, of course, but I really like it. I love the way that the gold has come through just in a couple of little places, but that it has actually come through. Look, there's some more of it in there, and it's just so pretty. I like it a lot. So that's the painting. Now, if you remember, we did some cabochons to go with it, and these are the little earring cabochons that I did. There we go. So they shimmer and glisten and shine, and they will look so cool in their little settings. Let me just grab the settings. And by the magic of cinema, ta-da! So I wonder where in the world these would like to hang on someone's ears. These are stainless steel settings. So they're not silver, they're not cheap, junky metal like some of the pendant trays are. These are sterling, no, not sterling silver. Stop it, Michelle. Stainless steel. So there you go. I've just set them in there, but that's what they look like. And then we've got the long pendant. I'm not so fussed on this one. It's a bit meh, but it's still got some shimmer. It's got some color. Then we get into the really pretty ones. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is just stunning. I really like this. Again, it's got a little bit of gold in the cells just there, and up in the top there, and then really shimmery, glittery. Yum. And that one, I like this one. It's plain, it's got no cells at all, but it's got that stripe through the middle. It's just so pretty. I like it. It's very pink and very turquoise. That's quite a good representation, maybe even a little bit pinker than that. but I like that one. I like it a lot. So there's those. Now let me clear these away and I'll get the other one in for you. Ta-da! So again, we've got the iridescent medium doing its shiny, shimmery, silvery kind of tones, but the gold and the copper, and then the other colors are all just sort of having some fun with them and creating a funky bottom to this tray. So as I said in the live that we poured this in, I'm going to cover that with some resin so that it's usable. And what magic can I create with that? What else? What else? What else? What else? Anyway, guys, so I had lots of fun doing these live with you all, and really love it when you guys come and play with me on those. So if you would like to join me on the next live, please sign up on the newsletter. Honestly, all I ever use it for is telling you about upcoming lives, and then sort of pop anything that I've got around to putting on my shop down the bottom. But yeah, it's just literally about telling you when I'm going live. You get 24 hours notice so that you can rearrange your life or set your alarm clock or whatever works for you. I will be going live early this coming week, so pop that in your awareness, and if you're not signed up, then get signed up so you know when that's happening. Alright, so I adore you all. I'm so super grateful for you hanging out with me on these videos, and I am looking forward to creating some magic with you over the next little while. So stay tuned. I'll be back tomorrow with another video and of actual creating and pouring and stuff. So see you soon. Bye bye.